when we took our camper down, this was our tanks were full, and this was hanging down like an inch or so, inch or two. Now my tanks are empty. Took it back off. I don't know if you can see up inside there, but it looks like some of the screws have been kind of sheared off. So I'm going to take the board off and see what I got going, and then see about how I'm going to reattach that board. This is an Arctic Fox 992. And then we also have this back is hanging down. I'm not sure why that is, but I'll address that too. Short screws, short sheetrock screws, 1 inchers maybe. Probably replace them with the zinc coated. When I do it, I'm going to put it all back. Okay. Let's see here. Mostly it's glued in. They got it caulked around the trim. It's not underneath it at all. Just kind of caulked in there. I might have to go grab a razor knife and maybe cut that out. Loosen up this front trim a little. Just loosen it up a little bit. Maybe pull it down just to see if that will release that board. Well, there's our underside. It's our freshwater tank. I've pulled the insulation down. So you can see this screw here is broke off. Head of the screw is missing. This one's pulled out pretty far. That one's, this head of this screw's broke off. It's laying right here. So this piece here is just loose in here, and then that screw there is pretty loose. I'm assuming there's another one that'll be loose. Yeah, it's pulled out too. So I'll put in some new screws. I think I will probably see if I can't go through here, sink that into that way there too, and I'll probably go around and do the whole thing, and also do the other side. So the other side over here, it still looks pretty secure. Screws look good. but I'll double check them. But I'm liable to think I might put in some more screws through here to help out the support on those screws. And then I have to look in to see what's going on back here. Not too big a fix. So in this piece here, I got looking at it, I pulled all the insulation down now. This piece here is kind of sitting here. It's kind of rocks back and forth. So I don't know if that has something to do with why the screws pulled through, but I think I'll put in some L brackets in the corners here and in here and keep that from twisting. And then I'll probably just re-screw it up. Re-screw it up and re-secure it all. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I think I'll do my fix and then go through all and pull all these screws. These screws are just loose. Pull this one out my finger. So I've got a couple of them. I'll replace those maybe with a little bigger, thicker screw. Suck them back in where they're supposed to be. Okay. So that's the underside of your 992. Got your black tank, your gray tank. So we'll go through all that and secure everything up. They're jacked up. So I've replaced some screws. This one here was where the original one was, and it was stripped out, tore the plywood down, so I just drilled another one, put alongside. I'm replacing all these with a little bit thicker stainless screw, and then I'm also adding some in here. I'll go all the way along and screw this whole thing off. I'm gonna change out that screw there. I'll change out all these square drives to a little bit bigger stainless screw, Phillips head, and I'll go all the way around and do all that, and do these sides, you know, where these are coming loose. I found the one over here. This one here I had to re-drill. The screw was actually just in the styrofoam. It wasn't even in the plywood, so that's why I just pulled right out. This one, same thing. Head sheared off here. So, see, I'll go around and fix them all. Add them to my pile of scrap screws here, and I'll get it all re-squared up and everything, and put the insulation in, put it back together. Not too big a deal. All right, I put a bracket in the corners, each one of those. I've replaced all the screws. I've added screws all the way around to help hold that board up. I've replaced all the screws on the ends of all the aluminum with stainless, a little bit thicker screw, a little heavier. Stainless, probably a little stronger. I don't know why these ones sheared off. It's right here where the freshwater tank is. I mean, we do haul it full a lot, so maybe the bouncing, I don't know what did it, but something sheared them off. I got this piece here screwed in there good now. I'll get some different screws. They put these, what's holding this up is like these 1-inch drywall, just a black drywall screw. And I think I'm going to go with a zinc coated, just so they don't rust at all. They're just barely rusting. I mean, the camper's 8 years old. It's a 2018 992 Arctic Fox. So it's, and I use it a lot. Put a lot of miles on it, so. So I think I've got it all ready to basically put the insulation back in and button it up. Okay, got the underside, got the insulation all back in it. Screwed that one piece back in. Had to put some strips of duct tape in to hold it because I wanted to fall down as I'm doing this. I don't want to get the board half on there and then have it start coming down. So got her all insulated, ready for the board. Got her back together. Things fixed. Came out good. You have to, one thing I had to do was loosen up these screws here and then kind of pull that trim back as I pop this board up, kind of half underneath it. So you will have to pop, maybe loosen the side trims up. I had to do both of them. I replaced them with some just zinc coated drywall screws rather than the original black ones, just because a little less rust problem. Okay, ready for the road again.